Hi, and welcome to this mini-series, 8 different ways of writing the alphabet. Today we're on the letter... I actually don't know which letter, but it's this one. In this series I'm going to show you 8 different ways of writing the alphabet in real time in modern calligraphy. I'm using my Olic pen and my ink, and yes, I hope you stick around and follow along because there are more letters to come. Also, if you like my letters, you can grab them in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this letter, and I hope you stick around because there are more letters to come. Also, if you like it, please give a thumbs up and follow. Thank you so much. Bye!